Discover the secret to making money with TIGERNUT drink and how to make it stay longer without spoilage or fermenting. In this video, we will dive into the world of Beetroot Tigernut drink and explore the various ways to monetize them. From creating unique recipes to the unique health benefits, marketing strategies, we will cover it all. Whether you are a health enthusiastic entrepreneur or just looking for a money pick-me-up, whether you are hitting the gym, simply looking to capitalize on the growing demand for your journey to a healthier beverages, and happy you, and get ready to unlock the full potential of this lucrative market and start making money. Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. If leveling up on your baking skills, cooking skills, living an active lifestyle is of paramount to you, then you are in the right place. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell and let us have fun together. Also, let's dive into your thoughts in the comment box. Watch the video till the end not to miss out on any tips and tricks. First, let us soak the TIGERNUT overnight with some vinegar. The vinegar will kill the bacteria or the microbes. Kindly check out the description box below for the full recipe for both the large quantity of Beetroot Tigernut drink for those that want to start up a business with it, and for small quantity for those that want to enjoy it at home. This is after soaking for about 10 hours. Soaking it for that long will open up the pores and will enable the TIGERNUT to be milky and creamy. So you will scrub and scrub like that until all the dirt are all out, at least almost all the dirt. So you continue scrubbing and scrubbing. After scrubbing for the first round, then we wash out the TIGERNUT and then add a little water to scrub for the second time. We have a video on how to make a long-lasting TIGERNUT drink. You can drink at home and you can also start up a business with it. That is just an ordinary TIGERNUT drink without beetroot. So do check out our description box below and watch the full video. I promise you, you will learn great value and insight. After repeating the process of scrubbing, rinsing the water, scrubbing, rinsing the water, then I will continue to rinse and rinse the TIGERNUT until the water is as clean as a drinkable water. The advantage of this drink are quite numerous. Beetroot Tigernut drink reduces inflammation. It improves digestion. Together, beetroot and TIGERNUT create a drink that not only tastes amazing but also provides sustainable energy. This combo supports heart health, boosts stamina, and can even enhance athletic performance. While we are still changing the water, you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebooks on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on. Check out the description box below to see how you can access them now. Here is another tip: hot water. Not too hot though. After rinsing and your water is drinkable, then you can add some hot water. After adding the hot water, allow it to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can start rinsing over and over again. This time, be rest assured that all the dirt, microbes, bacteria are all gone. And this hot water tip will also cause your tiger nut to be creamy and very milky. It will taste as if you added a milk or a cream to it. Trust me. So you rinse and rinse and rinse again until the water is also clean and cool. Note, the tiger nut shouldn't be hot, so you have to rinse very well until the temperature is very calm. Then we set it aside with some water. Let us check out some of our other ingredients. Date palm. Like I said, this is a natural recipe, no added preservative. Everything we'll be using here will be natural. So dates will be our sweetener. Check out our other video on how to make long-lasting tiger nut drink for all the health benefits of date palm. You break it and remove the seed. Other ingredients we'll also be using is coconut. Here we'll be making use of 4 medium-sized coconuts. Coconut water has so many health benefits. You can drink it just like that. You can use it to grow your hair. You can use it for your skin. You can add it in your food like coconut rice and so on. So it has so many health benefits. We will bring it out, rinse it, and then slice it into pieces, tiny pieces. Our next ingredient is ginger. In this unique recipe, we will be making use of 2 types of ginger. The wet ginger, which is the most common, and the dry ginger. That is the wet ginger. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the full recipes if you want to make it in small quantity and in large quantity. So we are also going to wash this. You don't need to peel off the back at all, since we are still going to filter it. So the back also have its value. Just rinse very well and then you slice it into pieces. And the dry ginger, that is the dry ginger. We have also soaked it overnight along with the tiger nut. Then we rinse and remove all the dirt and then we slice it. And there our hero ingredients, beetroot. Beetroot as well, you don't need to peel off the back, just wash very well. You can even scrub it with a sponge. You wash and rinse it very well, then you begin to slice into tiny cubes. This vibrant root vegetable is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is rich in nitrates, which helps improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Plus, Beetroot is loaded with antioxidants, fighting off inflammation and oxidation. Beetroot isn't just eye-catching, it is a powerhouse for your health. It boosts stamina. The best part is it is delicious. Now let's rinse our dates and then we share it into the tiger nut. And let's share other ingredients in the right proportion. The coconut, dry ginger, wet ginger, and others, with the exception of the beetroot. Continue to watch the video on how we are gonna mix the beetroot with it. After incorporating the whole ingredients like that, then we grind. The grinding, if it is in a small quantity, you can make use of your blender, but we are making use of that kind of big engine because we are making it in a large quantity here. Another tip and trick is to mix your tiger nut after grinding with ice block. This will cool the temperature. As you know, as you're grinding with the engine, it is going to be hot somehow, so you need the tiger nut to be as cool as possible. So mix it very well with tiger nut. This will also prevent it from spoiling quickly. So after mixing, then you scoop it and filter it out like that. You continue to scoop and sieve until you're done. Don't forget that you have already mixed it with ice block, so there is no fear of spoilage. Tiger nut is a little gem. Despite their name, nut, it is actually a tuber, not nut. They are high in fiber and healthy fat and protein. Tiger nuts are also great for digestion and can help keep you feeling full longer. The secret to its long-lasting freshness lies in their low moisture content and high fiber level. So when you're mixing it with ice, mix it with little portion of water. The recipe and the quantity is in the description box below, so just check it out. Which impaired the growth of harmful bacteria. This unique composition not only preserves freshness but also enhances flavor, making every sip a delightful experience. So after filtering it out the first time and you've gotten your milk, so you want to filter it the second time for you to be sure that all the chaff are gone. They will be in the bag and you will have a fresh, creamy, chaff-free tiger nut. If you're just starting up your tiger nut business, tiger nut milk business, you can make use of that first method of filtering it with a filter bag. But as time goes on and you save up, you can get this machine. It is an extractor. It will extract the milk for you. You won't need the bag. Finally, we will go in with our beetroots, our blended beetroot. We'll mix this and then we filter it. For further extend its shelf life, innovative packaging techniques are employed. Make use of packaging materials that will get frozen easily. Now let's talk about the monetization. The growing demand for healthy plant-based beverages open up a world of opportunities. By targeting health-conscious consumers and promoting the unique benefits of TIGERNUT drink, business can thrive. So, collaborating with fitness centers as well, cafes and online retailers can expand your reach and increase sales. Also, offering bulk purchase discounts can also entice customers. Also, educating customers about the nutritional benefits of TIGERNUT drink will foster loyalty and build community around this superfood. Our online training is still ongoing for those who want to spice up or advance their cooking, baking and all recipes game. Also check out our description box below, or now you can get access now. And there you have it, milky, vibrant, healthy Beetroot Tigernut drink. Do follow us on all our displayed social media handles, and let's become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and you learned some value, kindly share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to get more healthy recipes just like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. We drop video weekly, so do check out for more video, for more delightful and tasty creation. See you in our next video.